Everybody, so I got a quick haul from Napa, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is just a quick little haul I got from Napa. My Napa didn't have any of the already made spools that I needed for the 12 gauge. I just picked up 12 gauge. I wanted 10 gauge, but they didn't have any 10 gauge either. But he did have 100-foot spools in the black and the red in the back that were already open. And he gave me, Frank gave me a deal. $8 for 25 feet for black and $8 for 25 feet of red, and I think he threw in like an extra half a foot or whatever on each. Instead of for a 25 foot, it's normally about 15 bucks. He gave it to me for 8 bucks a piece, so that was pretty great. It's not going to be a long video. This is going to be some of the wiring I'm going to be using for the air horns I'm going to be installing on the 2000 4Runner. I also got a couple other items on a different day also for that. So please stick around for that video. That's going to be another haul. No unboxing required. It's already unboxed. There was no spool or anything like that. He took it off the spool for me. I'll probably end up wrapping it smaller and putting it in my electrical box with the rest of the gauge wires I have. But keep a lookout for the upcoming install video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.